banana machine at this bitch. Look at it.
All right, you ready? Ready? This is going down. This is a banana vending machine. And what better person to have this banana vending machine experience than Neil? It's happening right now. What color did he pick?
Oh,
it's going to pick your banana.
Come on, you can do it. Get there.
Oh, it's thinking hard about this.
It's got the tip. Come on.
Bro, did you break it?
Oh, come on.
Is this like one of those claw games? You just lost. This is a fail.
Give me the banana.
Oh. Now what's happening? You did, dude. You lost.
Hold on, let me try.
All right. Here we go. Neil taking a banana round 2. Oh yeah, the pink banana.
Victory!
Oh, dude, double prizes. Can you reach in there? It'll cut your arm off.
Fuck it, I guess we're getting 3 bananas today.
Well, it's good since the dude at the bulgogi place handed us like 8 500 coins.
I just gotta get 100.
I know it's a long video, guys, but I gotta see what happens. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Dude, are you going for 3 pinks? Like, if you're going to buy 3 bananas, you should have got 1 of each color. Oh, yeah, look at that. And you got every banana you paid for. Mr. Banana Hands.
Hold on. I gotta do the slow reveal.
I don't know. Is this going to be a... Okay.
What?
What in the Sam hell? You bought a banana case with a fake banana in it.
I'm so upset. I'm so upset right
You got to get the bananas in the boxes. Oh my God. What just happened?
I'm so upset with myself.